already just only half cooked. Okay, so let's start for our adobo. Okay, so some of it is cooked. I mean, let me see. Yeah, this one is okay now. I can. Matingala mo, nganong kadaghan ba ng iyang rice? Uy, kani guys, ituyo na yun ako siyang daghan kay para dili na ako magluto og adobo guys. Here's the adobo. Guys. So here's my chicken adobo and the fried rice and also